Hi there, today is almost 10 a.m. here on my time, Saturday, and if we are just meeting for the first time here on my channel, welcome to Home Based Chronicles. My name is Jezza. It's nice meeting you. Today I'm very excited because I am working on a video content where I'm checking out a product features and how to use it. Actually, it's gonna be exciting for me because it's my first time to use this product, and I've never really used one, to be honest, and I'm just very excited how it would go. So the product that I am talking about is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 combo. So this is a product that I'm talking about. If you've already used one, comment down below, let me know. And if you haven't, you can also comment down below. So this is how it looks like when it's already switched on and with your phone connected to it. And this is how it looks like right off the box. Okay. And on this side right here, you're gonna see the contents that's on it, the DJI Mimo app that you have to download, and then the DJI Osmo Shield. All right. So, like I said, I haven't really used one before, so there's a lot of getting to know the product. And sorry if I'm gonna be clumsy, but definitely what I'll be doing or what I will be showing you is the unboxing. I will be showing you when I check the features that's on the product, and also what else? Well, the physical feature of the product. I'm gonna check that out. I'm gonna record it too. So I bought this because I'm leaning towards creating video contents and then uploading them on YouTube and social medias. So that's why I bought one. So it would be easier for me to record any videos that I'd like, and also document my travels here locally. And I am very excited to share this content to you guys. And like I said, if you have already used one, please comment down below for any tips, any tricks that I can use for this DJI Osmo Mobile 3. If you have questions about the features, or if you can suggest about a feature that I haven't really covered or I won't be able to cover on the video, I would very much appreciate that. So this is it, you guys. Okay, so just comment down below, click on a like if you like, and then don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye.